MULN stock today can be explained in 27 November. So let's start with easy steps. If you are new to this video, don't forget to watch this video until the end and subscribe for more price predictions that we want here. So I think this can be returning back to put in our mind what would be the price in MULN stock today. So I think if we returning back to see whether this would be important or not. The price that is going to be on MULN stock is going to be different a little bit from another one, and we should make larger extensions here. So if we return it back here, it would give us an increase in momentum, and I think that's what I can see absolutely on MULN stock to be as a price prediction mentioned or explained today.